We thought the worst was behind us, but we underestimated the weather, probably for the first time. And as the night fell, I knew it was going to get rough. And as we settled into the night mode, I was keeping an eye out on things, as Zin was dozing off. And just as I was getting up to do my checks and put a jibe preventer, a wave picked us up and a boat accidentally jibed, which then broached the boat and everything went flying. I knew something had broken. We had broken the boom attachment and there was nothing keeping the mainsail in place. Life jackets went on, we quickly rolled in the jib, turned on the engine as a prevention, and I went to inspect the boom. As I was getting ready to step outside, I clipped in and a wave went crashing over the bow and almost washed me overboard. I barely held on. The wave inflated the damn boy on the deck. This was definitely not in a brochure. We managed to rig something up for the boom and then went to inspect the damage. The boat looked like a bomb went off. Somehow the laptop ended up in a bilge and it never recovered. Rest in peace. We limped to our destination in the San Blas. This place is paradise. Very quickly after arrival, we had locals come and sell us some lobsters for $10 for 3 lobsters. Then we had another local boat give us some coconuts. We reciprocated with some chocolate.
Ese coconut.
How much?
Ese coconut.
Yeah.
No amas, no amas. Es mi corazón.
Okay, I'll give him the
No,
chocolate,
no amas.
the white
Es para ti.
chocolate.
60. Me.
Okay.
Ella 44. Yeah.
Since our Dan boy was kaput, we thought we might demonstrate this piece of equipment to you. So now we have an inflated Dan boy. So we thought it's a good opportunity to maybe show you how it works. This is what's supposed to help us find the person once someone falls overboard. This is the first thing you throw overboard. And the idea is that the person will swim to it and then you're looking for that rather than a small person in the water. It's supposed to act as a flotation device, but we have one of these as well. So if you are stuck in the water for longer than a few minutes, the idea is that you can sleep in this. Now you have instruction manual here on how to use it. And you got this strap, which is where you put your legs in, like that. And then you take this and wrap it around to hold you in place. And you got the handle here. You got the whistle. You got the inflation tube in case it deflates. And you got a light that you can turn on for night time. And you can even sleep on this. So you can spend the night and hopefully you get rescued. But this definitely increases your chances. This definitely becomes a lot more difficult exercise when you're in conditions such as last night, which is pretty much the conditions that you are in when you fall in. You're not going to fall in water like this.
Lobster lunch today.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
Very nice flavor. To visit San Blas, you have to check into Panama, then come back to San Blas. We didn't have time to go back and forth, so we decided to sneak in, which you can get away with for a couple of days maybe, but no more. And we had a perfect excuse, a broken boat. So this is what we did. Even though it was an overcast the whole time we were there, this is really one of those places. And given we come back to this region, San Blas will definitely have to get a lot more attention.
Panama? Panama? Where you
No,
from?
this Kunayala.
Cunayala.
It's
Ah,
no
okay.
Panama. You through the canal. It's Panama City.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.
See you.
We hopped from anchorage to anchorage and eventually a long day sail into Panama. Shelter Bay Marina is where most boats would wait for their turn to go through the canal. It was a great place to relax and even do some boat prep for the Pacific. A lot cheaper on this side than the other. Thank you so much. It is out of the way of everything, but Marina does run a shuttle to town and beyond, so it does make it quite easy.
After 3 days, we're finally getting out of the marina. Thanks, Amira.
Use your girlfriend right here. See the next episode as we take you on a journey through the Panama Canal.